In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Evernote to Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to move your notes from Evernote into Notion quickly and confidently, without worrying about losing important information. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on your computer. It's usually easier to do imports on the desktop or web app rather than on mobile, so open Notion in your browser or in the desktop app and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in Notion, look over to the left side of your screen. This is your sidebar, where you'll see your workspaces, pages, and different options. In that sidebar, find the option for Settings. Depending on your version of Notion, this may appear as Settings and Members, or simply Settings. Go ahead and click that to open the Settings panel. When the Settings window opens, you'll see several tabs and sections. What you're looking for is the Import option. This is where Notion gathers all the tools for bringing content from other apps into your workspace. Click on Import to move to the import screen. On the import page, Notion will show you a list of apps and file types that you can bring content in from. Look for Evernote in that list. It usually appears alongside other popular tools like Trello or Asana. Find Evernote and click on it. This tells Notion that you want to import notes specifically from your Evernote account. After you click Evernote, Notion will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. These may include signing into your Evernote account, granting permission for Notion to access your notes, and choosing which notebooks or notes you want to import. Take your time with these steps. Carefully read what each screen says, and double-check which notebooks you're selecting so you don't accidentally skip anything important. Depending on how many notes you have in Evernote, the import might take a little while. If you have a large archive, it's normal for this to take several minutes. Once the import is complete, you'll see your Evernote content appear as pages or databases inside Notion. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly scan through a few imported notes to make sure everything looks correct, the formatting is acceptable, and attachments or images came through as expected. And that's all you need to do to import Evernote to Notion. Follow these steps, let Notion handle the heavy lifting, and then organize your newly imported notes however you like.